Folks, I'm a biker and I spent a good time picking the right gears and the right helmet. I just didn't go to the shop and choose the cheapest or the unbranded piece of gear available because I knew that if an actual emergency ever happened, that piece of gear is the only thing standing between life and absolute disaster. But when it comes to buying a term insurance policy, which is literally the primary financial shield protecting your family's entire future in your absence, most people just pick whatever random plan that their friend, relative, or bank manager pushes. Today, let's fix that by breaking down the ultimate step-by-step strategy to buy the right term insurance policy without getting tripped by the fine print. And using this checklist, you can buy term insurance from anywhere, not even necessarily through us. But this video will help you to do that. Hello folks, I'm Shashank, you're watching Ditto Insurance. Subscribing to the channel is completely free, but this motivates us to make more and more videos. So if you find our breakdowns helpful, please take a second to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for supporting our work. First, your absolute priority when building the shield is determining the exact coverage amount that your family will actually need. So as a benchmark rule, you could target a base sum assured that is at least 15 to 20 times your current annual salary. Now, on top of that multiplier, you must add the exact value of any outstanding liabilities like an ongoing home loan or education loan, so the burden of that debt never shifts to your dependents. By the way, we have a free term coverage calculator that you can use to find the ideal coverage for you. I will link it in the description for you to check it out. Okay, now for the policy tenure, aim to align the cover precisely with your expected retirement age or when your children become financially independent, which in India is about 60 or 65 years, because stretching the policy to 85 or 99 simply inflates your annual premium without adding real financial efficiency. Next, you want a plan that can adapt over time and protect you against everyday life risks through smart features and riders. Look for waiver of premium rider, which guarantees that if you suffer a critical illness or total permanent disability and lose your income, your policy stays fully active without you having to pay a single extra rupee. You should also consider a critical illness rider, making sure it pays out a lump sum on top of your base cover rather than an accelerated benefit that reduces your family's main life cover upon a severe diagnosis. To beat inflation, look into plans that offer an increasing cover or life stage benefit, allowing your sum assured to automatically grow as you get married or have children. Another highly efficient feature to check is a zero-cost exit option, which allows you to completely surrender the policy and get 100% of your paid premiums back at a specified window later in life if your major responsibilities are entirely over. Now, once the features are aligned, you need to choose the right insurer by auditing their hard corporate track record using a strict checklist. Check their claim settlement ratio or CSR averaged over 3 years, which should comfortably sit above 97% to ensure that they regularly honor claims. Next, look at their ASR or amount settlement ratio, which needs to be above 90% to guarantee that they aren't just clearing small claims while rejecting the high value ones. Finally, look at their customer complaint volume, which should strictly be under 20 complaints per 10,000 claims to avoid admin delays for your nominees and ensure their solvency ratio is safely above the regulatory mandate of 1.5x. You can see the basic cutoffs appearing right now on your screen. Okay, now let me be entirely honest here. Looking at all these ratios, percentages, and rider rules can feel incredibly overwhelming, and nobody wants to spend their weekends auditing financial balance sheets just to ensure their family is safe. So, while knowing this checklist is easy on paper, filtering through dozens of plans to find the one that matches your exact profile is where the real nightmare begins. This is exactly why we built a streamlined, human-centric purchase process at Ditto to take the anxiety completely out of buying insurance. See, the purchase process is pretty straightforward and easy, and it takes place in 3 clean steps. First, you head over to the link, which will take you to our website, and you input your basic contact details. Second, instead of dealing with automated bots or getting spammed with 50 phone calls a day, you book a specific time slot to speak directly with an IDI certified advisor of your choice. During this relaxed free call, the advisor will carefully analyze your family's outstanding liabilities, check your personal health background, and filter out the top 2 or 3 options that actually fit your profile. Finally, once you make a decision, we help you handle accurate medical declarations, coordinate your tests, and stand by your family with dedicated lifetime claim support if it's ever needed. Alright folks, that's it from me in this video. If you'd like to book a free call with us, you know where to find us, and I will find you in another video. Until then, happy insurance hunting.